The Ridings FM A to Z of the Wakefield district moves on to the letter K, and this week we're at a location that for the past 20 odd years has had a lot of bad publicity, but thanks to millions of pounds of investment is now looking better than ever. This week we're at Wakefield Kirkgate. Okay, so we come inside one of the lovely plush meeting rooms here at Kirkgate Station, and with Adrian from Groundwork Wakefield. Hello, Adrian.
Hello.
So tell us a little bit about about Kirkgate. So I remember a few years ago, 2009, it was branded one of the worst railway stations in Britain. As a Wakefield lad, I've got to agree, it was awful to travel from here back in the 1990s. But it's gone from being the worst to being award-winning in a few years.
I mean, what it was Lord Adonis who came up with the immortal phrase, one of the worst stations in Britain. I think it was a great tragedy. It's a lovely building, as you see now.
Yeah.
It's one of the few Italianate buildings that's left, stations in the country left. It's just really fallen foul of not being, central to railway plans.
No investment over the years.
No investment over many years. I think that we were asked to sort of sit down with a number of partners to see if we could help regenerate it. I've got to give great credit to that whole partner stakeholder group, everybody from the local authority who's played a major role through to the Northern Rail, Rail Heritage Trust, Network Rail, Metro, as was then, now is the West Yorkshire Combined Authority, and Grand Central, one of the main operators out of here. We were very much interested as a regeneration charity in doing something more than just refurbishing a building. I think that we were surprised, everybody was surprised just how much work was actually needed once we started uncovering it. And literally, I think that the building was pretty much rotten from the inside out. So there was a number of major problems to do with dry rot and just basically having to sort of completely gut the building and start again. So the project itself took a lot longer. It required a number of refundings with the partners. So our budget went from an estimated £4 million to over 5.6 million at the end.
But of course, because it's a listed building, of course it wasn't just as simple as gutting the building and refurbishing. It had to be all done to spec, didn't it?
We did. We worked very closely with the local authority conservation people. We were very helpful in many stages. It's a challenge though, because obviously as we uncovered things, there was very little, I think, that we could actually salvage. But we did work very closely with them, and we also wanted to do something that was fit for the modern age. So it's a high quality green standard building, so it's very energy efficient. We've got the most modern boilers and things in here, so that for the tenants that are moving in, it's a great building to work in.